Grocery si Lala. Adulting. Ha?
Home tour.
Niyan, pagtuli natin. Adulting na siya. Siya lang sa kasi Derek Hobiaman. What else do you want?
ड्राइवर थोड़ी आड़ेगा नहीं
Puno na mo cart. Puno na mo cart. Puro junk food sa sulod. I-mix na lang ito nila ang kabag. Seafood man lang ito. Sige, nagana. Okay, we're gonna have a tour of the boys' apartment. Okay. Okay, what's this one here?
I'm on closet. I'm on English.
Kaya,
Ito kaya kan?
this is for their closet. There you go. And then next.
Dito man.
Okay, and then next door here. So this one, what's this one? This is the garage for the other apartment. So this is their bathroom.
Sama ito. Kwarto.
What's this one?
Yung masa. Kwarto. Dili okay.
Their bedroom. Sige na ka mga mag...
Okay, malok na.
It's messy. Then, so I think this is the stairs going upstairs, but it's locked. This is their storage room. Then their living room. This is their setup. Messy, messy. So what's over here?
Pag-draw na.
What?
Pag-drawing. Na-adjust din eh.
Sige daw.
Pwede okay, hindi makakamay kita. Yan, pwede mas sugalit pa. Pwede pa.
Oh, di mo kamsiton.
Ba't ko sa ito? Kaya pag-draw na ako. Pag-draw.
Magasiran sinihan.
Kaya sa top.
Nira computer area. Nira maging gastusan.
Ba, yun na ito. Okay.
Nira mga pinanggastusan.
Special look.
Muda mo pa sa ito.
Kaya Maya, pag kaya, may pag-buy yun ako, may gawin ito.
Feeling lang niyo. So they just had a groceries today. That's their sink. And then this is their laundry room. There you go. That's it. And then they have their small kitchen. It's pretty nice. How long have you been here na? Almost 2 years na, no?
2 years? Mali. Oo, di ba no? Paano sa mga, sa...
Almost 2 years na kami din here, di ba?
Oh, 2 years. So, 2 years na.
Yeah, di ba last year? Tapos, hara nila sa school. Mga peramang kami net sa Yulakat.
15 minutes. 20 rupees.
15 to 20 minutes.
Depende.
Walking distance la sa university. Pero may bus man ba, diba?
No, may dito.
Pero hobby sera pag bus. Free lugod ang bayad.
Okay.
So that's it. That's their crib.
Na mag-office ang portal.